The Esplanade.
The Esplanade, affectionately known as the Durian due to its spiky, durian-like exterior, is one of Singapore's most recognizable performing arts venues. Its unique twin domes, clad in aluminum sunshades, make it an architectural standout along the city's skyline. Designed with both form and function in mind, the Esplanade features two primary performance spaces, a concert hall and a theater, both acclaimed for their superb acoustics. These spaces are equipped to host a wide variety of performances, from orchestral concerts to theatrical productions, making the Esplanade a versatile cultural hub. Its innovative design seamlessly blends aesthetic appeal with practicality, symbolizing Singapore's commitment to merging artistry with modernity. As one of the city's premier landmarks, the Esplanade represents Singapore's forward-thinking approach to architecture and culture. Beyond its striking appearance, it serves the community by offering world-class performances and events, solidifying its place as a vibrant center for the arts. A visit to the Esplanade not only offers a visual feast, but also immerses visitors in Singapore's dynamic cultural landscape, where creativity and innovation converge.